Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Today is our IPSY unboxing. I'm taping this over because I didn't pre-open the bag, and then, yeah, so anyway, hello. Cute. The first thing in the bag was the Cream Shop cream concoction ethereal glow ampule serum. Pretty. Huge bottle. One complete full ounce. It is clear. I don't want to drop this on my computer. And it's kind of thick. Ooh. Rubs in nicely. And it absorbs nicely. Oh. No scent, which is good because it's going on your face. So wow, that's impressive. I think this is the February box because I feel like I waited a long time to do the January box because I feel like this came pretty quick. Not sure, but I'm going to go with February. The card's probably in the bag. Smells like my chicken is done. Let me hurry up. Ooh, wow. This is, oh, sorry. This is the Complex Culture Angled Foundation Brush. Wow. Wowzers. I don't use foundation, but I can use this like right here to get under here for concealer because I do use concealer. This is really pretty. Wow. Wowzers. Their brushes that they have been sending have been amazing. I have one more set that I still need to open and clean. Next thing in the bag. Wow. Wow. Ahava Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream, Cactus and Pink Pepper. Wow. Full size. 5.1 ounces. And it's sealed. Very nice. Not anymore. Cactus and Pink Pepper. Wow. Did I show you the bag? I didn't show you the bag, did I? Oh, that smells nice. Ooh, yeah. This is the bag. So this makes me think it's February. So, yeah, it came early. Okay, I'm not going to look at the card. There's two more things in the bag. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Tint, I think is how you say it. T-Y-N-T. Beauty Balm. Is that what that says? Dew Balm. What is this? Universal Clear Glow. Is this for lips? What's going on? Oh, this bag is really hitting it. Oh, hitting it. Hitting it. This bag is really hitting. Slaps. What is the like the slang? I don't really know. Dew Balm. Where does this go? How to use. Apply a tiny amount directly onto skin with our built-in smooth glide applicator and blend for a natural and dewy finish. Oh, so it goes on your face. Oh, this is, I am so, IPSY. Wow. Okay, girl. I still have one more thing in the bag. Where is it? Okay, this is our glowing promise to you. Cruelty-free, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate-free. Formulated for all skin types. What is it? Bye Bye Puffy Eyes Cooling Eye Cream. Woohoo! With the amount of sleep I'm not getting, this is perfect. Wow, and it's also very sealed. Completely wrapped in plastic. Wow, this box is impressive, I tell ya. Okay, IPSY, you really outdid yourself this time. Like, really, truly outdid yourself. There's no foundation, but I did alter my preferences online to say that I would like brushes more frequently because I am replacing my entire stock of brushes. And once I get enough brushes, which I probably have that enough now, but shh, don't judge me. Once I get a couple more, I'm going to stop and say less frequent for the brushes and then, amp up something else. So let's look at this because this packaging for everything has just been beautiful. And it's all, oh, you know what? I'm looking. And it's kind of all color coordinated. They're all pink-ish. Like this is kind of pinkish. Oh, what's this box going to look like? The box is blue. But the tub. Oh, this is cute. Okay, bye puffy eyes. That's cute. Okay, this is a cream with a lid. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let's just try that. Glass jar. Don't smell anything. I have makeup on, but we're just gonna see. I'm just gonna test it. What am I doing? 5 minutes? A little more than 5 minutes? I think, plus my eyes are not really that puffy right now. And I'm putting this over makeup, so this is probably not a good This is probably not a good idea, but it's going to ruin the concealer I have on. Why did I not think of that? Okay, well, forget that. I'm going to wash my face in a little bit anyway. Cooking Parmesan chicken. Okay. I can keep this in my beauty fridge. Yes! Winner! IPSY! Very good. Very good. Okay, IPSY, you did that thing. Yes, I'm putting all these boxes in the trash because I'm not keeping them in their boxes so that I can start using them. Okay, so I have a lotion in my purse right now. Once that's done, this is going in my purse. Because I have actually 2 little baby ones that I need to put in there from another bag that I got from IPSY. Anyway, this is a win. This is a total win. I cannot wait to use everything. This brush, everything. I can't wait. I gotta wash this because I'll wash them all. And yeah, I cannot wait. Thank you. Pineapple juice almost spilled over. And this bag is gonna come with me. Oh, that's so cute. A reusable bag. Okay, great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is not a sponsored video. I do not receive anything free from IPSY. Why do I keep saying that? I pay for this with my own ducats, and I'm super, super excited. Celebrate Black History Month. Buy Black. Incredible payoff from Black-founded brand partners this month and beyond. Discover must-haves and exclusives. Oh, cool. Is this are these Black-owned products, or is it just telling me to do that? I'm not sure. Discounts at the okay, so it sends you the web address to do so, to buy Black. So ipsy.com/black-owned brands. Okay, I don't know if these are Black-owned brands, but I will be researching that as soon as we get down here. I'm really warm because I'm in this flannel shirt and flannel PJs, and the heat's on 74. It's too high. I have to turn it down to 71. I can't breathe. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Stay safe, stay dry, stay warm. It is winter and it is cold outside. So have a good one. Be blessed. Peace.